Hello and welcome. I am going to show you a very quick tutorial on how to add somebody as an admin onto your Facebook business page. So just navigate to your regular Facebook profile, log in, and on the left hand side here in this list you'll see pages. If we click on that and then we choose the page that we want to edit, if we look down here in the left you should see settings. And then if you scroll up just a little bit, right there it says page roles. And under page roles it says assign a new page role. So you're going to want to type in a name or a friend's email. So we have to be friends on Facebook in order for you to be able to add me to your Facebook page as an admin. So you'll type in my name, Devin Jones, and then look for my profile. It looks like that. Change this to admin and then click the add, and that's going to send me a notification so that I can accept, and then I'll become an admin on your page and I can run your ads smoothly and make sure I get access to all the other stuff that I need to do my job. Now if you are adding me as an admin on your Facebook page using your mobile app, here's how you do that. Just go into the mobile app there. On the right hand side there's the three lines at the top right. If you click those, it'll take you to this, and you can click on your pages there in the top. That should open things up. Click on the page you want to add somebody as an admin on. Click the little gear in the top right. Look for where it says page roles. It's about 5 down. Click on that. And then click add person to page. Make sure you type in your password. And then you can type the name of the Facebook user, which will be me, and you can type in my name, Devin Chapter Jones. The second one down, either one will work just fine, but the second one down is the best one. And then if you click admin and then click save, I will be updated as an admin on that page, and I will get a notification to accept that so that I can start doing my job for you on that side of things. So depending on whether or not you're using a computer or your mobile app, that's how you take care of that.